Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to find YouTuber's email. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So for example, I want to find this YouTube channel email address. So first of all, I'm going to opening this YouTube channel, and after opening the channel, clicking on about and scrolling down, and here we can see option to view email address, so I'm clicking on it. Now we need to solve the captcha, submit, and then here we can see the email address of this channel. And now I'm going to show you another channel's email. So I'm going to opening another channel, and I'm going to about section, and here is the view email address option, submit. So this was how we can find YouTuber's email address. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.